go ahead and pull it to the spot. I'm about to just let this thing go. And what's up, y'all? TBG gang. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Go ahead and leave a like on the video for your boy. So today we about to go ahead and test our new 0 to 60s and all that good stuff, because we haven't tested it since we tuned the car. So let's get into it. What I got planned for us today is we about to go ahead and test our new 0 to 60 time. A couple 30 rolls, you know what I'm saying? I might do a couple launches, but that's what's in store for the video today. So I ain't never tried to drive out with the front splitter. Right, I know I gotta turn at an angle, but yeah, man, it about to be scary. We about to see. I'm about to try to we gonna swoop over like these, and then I gotta come at a hard angle. Oh, there we go, no scrape. Keeping a black car clean ain't easy. That's one reason why I know I love the black, but we probably gonna be getting a wrap. I don't know when we go get it though, but anyway, let's go on with the video. Dang, that's a lot of water.
Look and see if you see water. I don't know.
Let me see.
Yeah, that water clear.
Yeah, man, as y'all see, we got like a little pinhole in the exhaust. It's nothing too major. But, you know what I'm saying? It's just a little pinhole in it. So, we probably just go tell the dealer about it, but something like that. I was thinking about getting like a little aftermarket exhaust anyway, so it's nothing too major. But if it does get worse, I'm gonna eventually say something. But that's not about to stop us from our video today. We still about to get them 0 to 60s. We still about to get those good little pulls in. We still about to go try and find us a scat pad on the road. We still about to just fly. But yeah, it got the AC on today. It's too hot. About to go out here and have us a little bit of fun, man. We go get one. I'm gonna get one launch for you. We gonna go full throttle, and I'm gonna see if these wheels spin like crazy. I'm gonna launch it from like 1500, 2000. We gonna see what happens. I don't know how this thing is gonna react. Never full throttle launch this thing, so it's probably gonna be crazy. But we about to go ahead and pull it to the spot. I'm about to just let this thing go. Down here, y'all. That was a solid pull. 2,000 RPM is like solid. It spins a nice amount, but 2,000 is solid. sir. I do notice when you drive a car without traction control, it kind of feel like it's like, I don't know, it's probably because I'm just imagining things, but probably because when I hold the traction control, it put my car in competition mode, so the shifts are more aggressive. That's probably what I'm feeling. Jeez, boy. I ain't never did a, well, I ain't gonna lie, I think I launched it before, but it was a traction control on, so I never turned traction control off. To be honest, I was trying to get a race for y'all on my on the channel, but I could never get nobody to race me. Like the Scat Pack, I found this dude on Instagram. He's like he's in my area, actually in the same area as me, Macomb. And I said, bro, you want to race? He got a 2019 wide body Scat Pack. I said, you want to race it, bro? He was like, what you got? I was like, a SS. He was like, is it a 10 speed? I was like, yeah. He's like, no, bro. I was like, what the hell? I'm like, what you mean, no? And this little car is getting on my nerves. All right, man. That was just some quick pulls, man, I did for y'all. We were just testing out the new 0 to 60s and like how it pulled compared to stock. I do feel a big difference though. Them downshifts is crazy too now. Like, it's real crazy. Sure. This man, he had to pull out this vet. Alright, man. That's not it for the video. That was just it for the 0 to 60s. We about to go out and see what we can find on the street, man. But yeah, man. I thought it was gonna be. Let me hold on. Let me switch the camera. Yeah, man, it was some good pulls, man. The thing with traction control all the way off the car is 10 times funner. That's all I got to say. I spent all the way through first, a little bit of spin in second, and it hooked up right after that. So yeah, man, that was real good right there. I ain't gonna lie. I can't wait till I get my headers and my X pipe. And my intake, wink wink, is coming soon, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, so this probably gonna be the end of the video if I don't run into something else on the road today. It's gonna be a little bonus clip for the video. So yeah, man, if it's any of y'all in Macomb or Detroit, period, or like 200 miles away from me, and you guys want to set up some races or something, just let me know. Comment under the video or DM me on Instagram. Whatever is best for you. But yeah, man, more than likely, probably not nobody gonna try and race on the street. So that's it. I'm out.